Meet the pangolin, nature's armored enigma. Covered in tough, overlapping scales, this unusual creature curls into a tight ball to evade predators. Found across Asia and Africa, their tongues can reach over 16 inches, perfect for snacking on ants. Here's a curious fact: pangolins are the only mammals to be completely covered in scales. These scales are made of keratin, the same substance as our fingernails. Sadly, they're the most trafficked animal in the world. By spreading awareness, we can help protect these amazing creatures from poaching and ensure they thrive in their natural habitats.